Whoa! Hold up! Things are heating up fast in the action cam world. DJI might be this close to dropping its next game changer, the Osmo Action 6. And if you thought the Action 5 Pro was a beast, you better buckle up. And hey, watch till the end to uncover some brand new features and juicy leaks about the Osmo Action 6 that no one's talking about yet. So here's the deal. DJI has been on a yearly drop streak with the Osmo lineup. Action 3 in 2022, Action 4 in 2023, Action 5 Pro in 2024. And now all signs, FCC filings, pattern drops, and insider leaks are pointing to a mid-2025 launch, possibly as early as June. Yeah, that soon. Let's dive into the good stuff. First up, dual battery variants have been confirmed with 1770 mAh and 1950 mAh options. That screams standard and Pro models right out of the gate. Then there's Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi support, 2.4 and 5 GHz, which could be a game changer for live streamers, especially if you're using Seavu kits for underwater exploration, fishing, or marine research. And get this, a 1-inch sensor might be on the way. That means crisp detail, better low-light shots, and stunning clarity when paired with gear like the Explorer Adventure Kit. RockSteady stabilization is also getting an upgrade, so your action footage should look buttery smooth no matter how chaotic the moment. We might even see 64 gigs of internal storage, up from the 32 gigabytes in the previous model. Perfect for those long sessions where swapping memory cards just isn't an option. Now in terms of design, don't expect a complete overhaul. Leaked images show that rugged compact vibe is sticking around, and it's still GoPro mount compatible. So yes, your Seavu accessories, drift fin, waterproof housings, they'll all work just fine. Waterproofing stays at 10 meters natively, and over 60 with a case, so no compromises there either. But here's what fans are really hoping for. Native DisplayPort output with no adapters, clean USB-C video out for the Explorer Plus Pro kit, super fast tap to record, 10-bit color profiles for those who love to color grade, and much better thermal control for long shoots on boats or inspection gigs. Bottom line, if even half of these leaks come true, the Osmo Action 6 might just be DJI's best GoPro competitor yet. With smarter performance, dual battery options, better live streaming, and Seavu compatibility out of the box, this thing could be a beast. Expected release? Between June and October 2025. And if you're excited like we are, hit that like button, drop a comment with your dream feature, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the full reveal when it drops. Trust me, this is gonna be wild.